In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Mega for cloud storage. So the first thing that you'll need to do once you open your browser is simply go to the URL section, type mega.io. Once you do so, you should be taken here to the main website as an example. And you'll have to click on login to log in into your account if you have an account. And if you don't, click on sign up instead. For me, I'm just going to click on login. I'm already logged in here. And you should find yourself here. So on this list panel, as you can see, you'll find here yourself with your cloud drive. Of course, you have 20 gigabytes of storage. So 20 gigabytes that you can store in the cloud with Mega. So you can just go and upload any file that you want. Let's say, as example, say I'm just going here to pictures. Let's say I do have some pictures here that I want to upload and save. I'm just going to just create a folder for them. So new folder. I'm just going to name it files and hit the enter button. I'm just going inside this and I'm going to upload all the pictures here so I can save them right here. So as you can see, it's uploading all of them. And that's how you basically cloud storage using Mega. As you can see, very simple. So you'll have just to wait for them, all of them to upload. And once it's uploaded, of course, you'll be able to see them here, as you can see. Now, you can even share them with somebody, as example, if you want them to download them or something like that. You can go back here to your folder. You can click on the three dots and you'll be able to share it as a link with folder and a lot of other stuff. So yeah, that's how you use Mega for cloud storage. That should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.